Welcome back to my channel. Learning has no limitation or there is no end to our learning. Today's topic is going to be a common one for all who wants to upskill or update their knowledge or skill set. Mainly for software profession, they need to keep upskilling their knowledge with respect to the trending technologies. For working profession, upskilling is very important in order to have better career growth. For students who are freshly passed out of college, only their academic knowledge is not sufficient. So they need to have some extra skill sets also while exploring for looking for job opportunities. So now due to the COVID situation, the recruitment process are in a slow pace manner. So this is the best time for students to explore a lot of online courses and upskill them with a lot of certifications. So this not only give them extra skill sets and also give a good weightage when they mention it in their profile. So it will be easy for them when they go for job interviews. Women who are on career break, they can also upskill their knowledge by doing a lot of online certification courses. So this will be easier for them when they want to re-enter into the job. There are a lot of online courses like Udemy, Coursera, Simplilearn. They are quite popular and offering a lot of quality contents with low price rate, and some of the courses are freely available to do. These are really worthy, and you can do some of these courses also from these websites. And today in this video I am going to talk about some of the courses provided by some institution which are quite popular, but the awareness about these courses are not that much as Udemy, Coursera, Simplilearn. So I will share the details whatever I have gathered about these courses. These courses are really worthy and the contents are really good. So the certificates provided by them will be really an added advantage and weightage to your profile. So I will walk you through the details about these courses. I have picked up some of the trending technical areas or skill set which are listed in this slide. If you are a student, pick up one or two skills listed here and try to upskill your knowledge in these areas. There are plenty of online courses available in Udemy, Coursera, Simplilearn. Some of them are available in free of cost. So I will take you through some of the courses from these skill set and explain about the details. So first one is a course called Padai, Pad AI or Padai. So this term is pronounced in three different ways. Padai, it's a Hindi term, it's nothing but study. Pad AI is study AI. Padai is a Tamil term which is way in English. So what they are trying to say is they are showing a way to learn AI. So this program or this course is launched by 1/4 Labs, which is an incubated startup of IIT Madras Research Park. So they are offering AI related course under this Padai. So we'll go through the details below. So there are certain prerequisite or eligibility for this course. So you have to be familiar with programming in any one of this language, C, C++, Java, Python, and basic 12th standard mathematics is expected for data science course. The course highlights they are offering one series of 3 courses in this one package, which are data science, machine learning and deep learning. Currently the data science course is in progress. This course started a few months back actually, during beginning of February month I believe. So the course instructors are from IIT Madras assistant professors. As part of this course they teach basic mathematics and Python programming, and they will provide hands-on experience with assignments, quiz for every 5 to 6 hours course of material, and they have a good discussion forum also to get it clarified with your queries and doubts. Upon completion of this entire course, you will be receiving a certificate based on the average score across all the assignments they have given. So you have to follow up with the assignments and quiz for each and every course they are providing. Finally, top performers in this course invited to an AI residency program by IIT Madras Research Park during summer to help in research and development of AI related solutions. So basically this course duration is given as below. Data science course supposed to go for 5 months, but I think it's going more than 5 months because of this COVID situation. And once this data science is completed, they'll move on to machine learning and then deep learning. So still the course enrollment is in progress. You can register and you can go through the data science course. And the course fee is offered at affordable price per course. So for students it is rupees 1000 plus GST, and for working profession it is rupees 5000 plus GST, and all the details are given in their website. So next one I am going to talk about NPTEL, which is providing lot of courses especially for students who are pursuing in colleges. So NPTEL is nothing but National Program on Technology Enhanced Learnings. This program is initiated by 7 Indian Institute of Technology along with Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore in 2003. So mainly the courses they offer cater to all the subject areas from all types of engineering, basic sciences, humanities and social sciences. So the course prerequisite is when college students, freshers or working professions, women on career break, anybody can do this course. So this is one of the largest online repository in the world. So especially what they are doing is this NPTEL is collaborating with a lot of colleges in India, and they are insisting students to take up some additional courses from this website to get certification. This certification is provided by CCE. So this certification is worthy and valid when you go for any job hunting. So the course instructors are from IITs and other reputed institutions such as Chennai Mathematical, CMI, IMSC, etc. So they also have a course very well defined with assignments and quiz, and there is a discussion forum to discuss about your queries. After completing each course, there will be an in-person exam conducted, but which is optional one, and once you clear the exam you will be receiving a certificate. The course toppers are offered with internship in some leading industries. So some of the courses for IT professions or students with computer science background I've just listed below here, so you can go through the courses here. I have done one course from this list which is about soft skills and personality. I have attended the exam and I can also show my certificate in the end of this video. So the course duration ranges from 4 weeks to 12 weeks. Basically the courses are charged with zero cost, and exam is optional. In case if you want to have certification, you have to pay rupees 1000 per course. So please check out all these websites to know about NPTEL and the courses they are providing. The next course what we are going to see is Upstart, which is a part of Upgrade online course provider. This has been introduced recently with the zero cost online free learning for the courses which are hottest skills trending in the market today. So this course is mainly designed for working professions to upskill their areas and mention them in their profile. So they are offering 19 courses right now, and most of the courses are related to IT professions. We'll just check out their website. So these are some of the courses you can see related to IT: Python for data science, Introduction to Machine Learning Concepts, Getting Started with Java Programming. These courses will be very useful for students who are doing college or who are fresh out. So Introduction to SQL Programming, Getting Started with SQL Programming, Introduction to Blockchain. So these are some of the courses which are designed from 2 weeks to 6 weeks maximum. So check out their FAQ also for more details. I have also listed some of the free courses available in websites, following websites. So interleapath.com, they are offering some foundation courses for free in these areas. So this will be really useful for students or women who are on career break. They can just start up with taking these courses. And also Code Academy, they are also offering some of the courses free of cost. They have interactive web-based programming area wherein you can just explore your programming level of knowledge. You don't need to install anything. And another one is lynda.com, which is a LinkedIn collaborated website. This also has too many courses, vast list of courses they have, and they have 1 month trial program in which you can take up some courses and see the quality or the content. If you like it, you can proceed for further on the areas. So they have very good courses in automation testing, Python, MySQL, and other areas also. These are some of the recommended courses or tutorials from my side. So go through the IBM site. They are also offering a lot of free courses. TCS is offering 15 days course specially for fresh college students. So that is especially designed for freshers, mainly in the areas of soft skills. At the end of the course, they are providing one certificate also. So I would like to encourage all the students to take up this course. And additionally, I have mentioned one more website, guru99.com. So this site has very good tutorials about software testing and DevOps. So if you are interested in testing and DevOps, go through this site. So this is how the certificate of NPTEL looks like. So this is my certification when I was doing my soft skills and personality development course. So this is very well laminated certificate with the photograph they have sent. Hope the course details provided here will be helpful to you. In order to make your learning process more efficient, take 1 or 2 courses at a time and complete it. Spend 1 hour per day or 5 to 6 hours in a week to learn these courses, and stay away from social media distraction during that particular time. So keep learning. In my next video, I'll come up with other technologies like digital marketing, social media marketing related courses. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. If you have any suggestion, please provide in the comment box. See you in my next video. Until then, it's me, Suchi, signing off from you all. Bye bye.